Welcome to Mt Shasta Escape.
July 5th, 2024, Friday, and it is about 8:17 in the morning, and we've started doing early walks with our dogs down to the lake, and in the afternoon we go a little bit higher and we're doing a walk over to Scott Camp Creek. And our reason is that we're getting 100+ degree days now in Mt Shasta. And so by getting out early, we're down relatively low here, but it's cool enough and we get the dogs to the lake fairly quickly. And in the afternoon, it's an even shorter walk down to Scott Camp Creek. So it's a hot little walk down to it, but the creek is nice and cool and shady. And it's how we survive when we have 100+ degree days. And they got so much stuff spread out there. Kind of wonder if
it almost looks like they're camping.
Yeah, if they stayed there overnight.
And that's a very much a no-no.
Oh, really? Yeah, no camping.
Yeah, no camping here.
Sadie, hold up.
But yeah, they slept there overnight.
Yeah. And there's a bike coming. Sadie, where'd you go, girl? Over here. Come on, Sadie. This way. Nope, nope. Sadie, nope. This way. Come. Come on, Kashie. Come this way. Close, girl. Back.
We didn't bring the drone with us on July 5th, so we came back the next day, July 6th, and flew the drone from the exact same place that I'm just walking by, where those people have been camping. And I'll give them credit. I feel a lot better about them doing that when I'm supposed to be there, if they clean up after themselves, and they did a good job. That's not true of everywhere out here, unfortunately.
Okay, we're gonna go back. Well, next week things should get back a little more to normal.
Yeah,
we're still in this crazy holiday period.
A lot better.
Name. That is Kashie and that is Sadie. Oh, cutie.
What are they?
Aussie doodles.
He's a border doodle.
But I would guess, we think these dogs are very energetic, but I'd guess...
Even more so.
Yeah, you've got your...
You know, it's interesting. I got him when he was 2 months old, 2 years ago.
Oh,
He's
he's very
my first
young.
dog ever in my life.
Oh.
So I'm learning.